Okay, so this is kind of uncomfortable. This is different. Okay, so I've been challenged that I have not been doing enough, showing up enough on social media and posting and letting people just see who I am, what I do, and how I do what I do. And so I decided today to change that. So today I am on my way to a property in Hollywood, and I'm actually going to do a BPO. So people might wonder, what exactly is a BPO? A BPO is a broker price opinion, and it's basically an order that we can get sometimes from a bank. And they want to know what we think the price for that property is. We have to look at the property. I'll be taking pictures. I'll be taking shots of the property, of the street, of the area, and then I will submit that in a report to the people that requested the information from me. I usually have like 2 days to do it. And then I also compare that property with the other properties in the area to see what the comparables are saying that the pricing should be. And so I kind of analyze the property in that way. Sometimes that's all they want. Sometimes they want you to go inside the property. I've had that as well, where they want you to go inside of the unit, the property, the home, and see what kind of damage there might be. There might be, if it's a foreclosure, usually there's something there. There's the last one I went to, they had broken. There was no kitchen. There was a space where a kitchen used to be, but there was no kitchen. There was no fridge, no countertops, no cabinets, no anything. And it was just a space where there used to be. And actually they had like a bucket that was catching water from where they took the sink. So there was absolutely nothing there. And apparently that happened. I've been into a few properties where that happens before. Maybe you guys could tell me why people take the kitchens with them when there's a foreclosure, but it does happen. And they do a lot of damage. They did, in that particular property, they took down the AC vents, and they took the water heater, they took the AC, everything. They took every type of machine, anything that was in that house. They took it. They took every door, closet doors, bedroom doors. I mean, I don't know if they were selling everything in the house for parts, but they went in there and then, I mean, before they left, and they just cleared it out. And so sometimes the banks now have to decide how they're going to proceed with, trying to sell it. I know I have a lot of investors that love properties, including myself, that are like that, in that condition, because when they're empty like that, they can really be a gem, because now you can decide how you're going to fix it up. And then, there are some homeowners. I guess if somebody had asked me if there were homeowners that could purchase a property like that, you actually could. They have a loan that's called the FHA 205. I think it's 203. And you can actually purchase a property that's been gutted like that, in that current state, and you can work it out with the lender where you get a GC and have a plan, and it is doable. It's a lot of work, but it's doable. I am going to have to stop my video here because I need to navigate to where I'm going. So thanks for driving along with me and listening to me ramble about the stuff that I love, which is real estate.